Hello, this is You Create the Heart, and I am back to share my last video, video number 3 of 3 of the card sketches that I am doing from Cards by Kendra challenges. This is challenge number 9. So now we're on 11 through 15. So the paper that I'm using is the Not Too Shabby Shop Winged Beauties. It is one of the 2 paper pads that are the paper pad of the month in the Not Too Shabby Shop. And so you can click the link in my description box and get to the Not Too Shabby Shop store. I think it's the code that I have is a discount 10% off in my description box. It is not good on the box of the month. I don't know that it's good on the Stamp and Die either, but you know, you can try it. I know for sure it's not good on the box, but if you buy them a la carte, then you definitely can use that coupon. So the other things I used in my past videos for this series is I used this Hello Winter, which is adorable. I used Winter Wishes. I used Snuggle Weather. And I didn't use that one. And I used this one right here, which is Dear Friends. So I used all of those in my previous ones. This one, I only have one stamped image. So let's go ahead and get started. We're on card number 11. So a lot of these are using the die cuts that you can get in the collection. So not really die cuts, they're like cut apart, so you have to cut them out yourself. So card number 11. So yeah, this was a little bit of a labor of love. This was definitely a project. So I did this last weekend. I try to find time during the week, but a lot of times, if I'm lucky, I'm able to like color images. Like I stamp them all and then I just start coloring all week, and then on the weekend I have some time usually to put things together. But this past week I just did not have any time at all. Let's see, very, very, very busy week. So I actually work very, very close to that Monterey Park shooting. I actually work at a high school that's fairly close to it, so caused some minor disruptions at work. Nothing too crazy, but definitely had some stressed out people at work. So okay, so here we go right here, and then I have this Get Well Soon. So, and this is from Pink Fresh Studio. They do have some sentiments that you can sort of, you know, ready-made ones. So there you go. Card number 11. So card number 12, because I'm working through my paper here. It's card number 11. Oh, let's do card number 12. This one right here. And so yeah, I like, you know, using this paper. All these papers, I was able to really get a lot of different looks, I think. You know, double-sided gives you just a lot more, you know, options. And the thing about sketches that I like is it's nice to have a starting point, but I like the idea of how can I like get more out of a sketch. You know what I mean? Like how can I make it, you know, jazz it up and all of that. So that's kind of what I look to do when I do a sketch, is how I can kind of make it, you know, a little jazzier. There's that. And then I'm actually just gonna go like dun, dun. Okay, so that. And don't know that I would really like this stamp set. It seems kind of not my style. I'm more of a kind of, I like my cute little images, but I actually like it, and I found a lot of ways to use it. So, like, you never know, right? All right, number 12. So moving on to 13. Okay, 13 is this one right here. And let's see here, 13. I'm going to do this. That. So let's go ahead. We're almost there. 15 cards, even ready to go, is still a lot of work. But I do like all the cards that I made. They are wonderfully cute. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to do this little piece. Okay. There we go. And let's see. I'm really glad that I had prepared these well. So it is good. All right, almost there. Let's see. There, and I'm going to put this kind of right here, I think. All right, let your spirit soar. All right, on to 14. We are in the nitty-gritty. So I kind of had to be creative because I wanted this all to work. This one. Okay. So this is 14. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do here. Life gives beautiful gifts. Your friendship is one of them. And that is a sentiment that was from Pink Fresh Studio. Because I used gold paper, these gold sentiments like worked really, really well. And I'm going to do that there because that's going to actually cover a little bit of an imperfection that I have on there. And usually these come off really easily, but they've been kind of sitting a little bit, so they've been kind of getting stuck. They've been sitting all week. I meant to come in here and do this video last week, so I had to like remember what it was that I had done. Okay, so there we go. That is 14. And now we're on to 15, which is sort of the opposite. And like I said, I only have scraps now of Winged Beauty. So I am going to figure out if those scraps are enough to do something with. So if there is, I will share them with you because I don't know about you, but I really enjoy watching videos about how different ways people can use scrap. And I bought, some quilt dies because I liked the way that some of that looked. like we're using their scraps, so I do like using those, but there's some other ideas. Okay, so there's that, and then we've got this, and this, and we have this, like that. So I'll go ahead and do this. We'll do a recap, and then I'll do a recap of all 15 cards, so we can see everything that got made. And let's put these down. And this one I did a little bit faster than, I think, than the other ones. So that's good. Maybe. If I can get this, liner off. I gotta remember not to let things like sit like this for too long, otherwise it gets like stuck and it gets impossible to get off. Okay, so all right, there's that, and then here we go. We are in the home stretch, and okay, own your magic. All right, so let's do this, and we're going to do this in reverse order. So this one is number 15, and this is what I did for 15. Kind of did my own thing, but the idea is there. And then here is number 14, which is this one right here. And then for 13 is that. And number 12 is this one right here. This is what I did for 12. And this one's number 11. So that is that. And now I'm going to show you guys all 15 cards in case you forgot. Here they are. Oh my gosh. So here was card number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.